I've seen a lot of people investing time, energy, money into things which absolutely is not of any life significance. But when it comes to investing in mending their relationships, they are married but they argue every day. There are any number of people that you know, including your neighbors, including the people at home. You all know that there are people who argue on a regular basis, and we continue to think that's a normal part of your life. Hello everybody, my name is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author and a travel explorer. And I'm an expert in relationship healing. I do these workshops across the world, and right now I have made these sessions available and instantly accessible digitally. Now about that particular thing, I would like to enlighten every one of you. As I was discussing with you a while ago, that there are a lot of people whom we know who are into arguments. Even if you consider yourself, there will be any number of situations where you would have got into arguments. And if you really introspect yourself, there would have been situations where constantly the relationships with your loved one, with the people at home, are often into challenging times. Somewhere we begin to think, or in your journey you might have also thought that it's a natural part of your life. There will be arguments, and we just need to adjust it. So there'll be arguments, and after that again then we make up, and then you tend to go ahead and carry over the day. I was exactly in that spot. I used to have problems in relationships with people. I used to get into arguments, but until I understood certain strategies, I understood certain principles which I have applied, which I have learned over the years with various masters, by traveling and understanding the deep psychology of people from all the cross sections of the society. If you happen to see my website mindpowerreality.com, you will see the range of people I deal with. The people from all the top leadership organizations, the people who are 50 to 60 years of age, who are on top of the ladder in the multinational companies, in law enforcement agencies, as well as politicians, then as well as little kids who are 5th class, 6th class engineering students. So I understand deeply the human psychology of relationships. And that's where I wanted to very humbly present to every one of you about those things which I have applied, and I started creating absolutely amazing relationships with people around the world. And it's not only brought amazing level of pleasantness within me, but also it's enriched my life phenomenally. It's given me the wealth, not just material wealth, but also internal wealth, which cannot be measured by any material. So this is something which I want everybody in the planet to have access to. And if you're watching this video, I suggest you to take a few moments of your life and click on the link in the description box below and understand exactly what all I'm sharing there. And you can instantly download that course and make it a part of your living reality. This will enrich you in amazing ways. This will put an end to the arguments in your life. This will give you an absolute flow in relationship. You will know how to create and have wonderful relationships with anybody. It can be your boss, it can be your children, it can be anybody whom you love to have great relationship with. In fact, the quality of your life largely depends upon the kind of relationships that you hold. The quality of your relationships determine the quality of your life in a very significant way. And this is something you agree with me, isn't it? So, I welcome you to explore the course by clicking on the link in the description box below. This is Karthik Poovanam, and I just want to invite you wholeheartedly into this absolutely amazing workshop. Wishing you all a very, very wonderful time. This is Karthik Poovanam, and have a very, very fantastic life. Great day.